Hello guys, today we'll be taking a look at the Oakley Holbrook sunglasses. This particular one is described as the blue-black frame with the black Iridium lenses. This is part of the Infinite Hero collection. The model number on the Holbrooks is the OO9102. The color code on these will be D455. So it comes in this Oakley box. And inside we get the standard Oakley warranty booklet. Comes standard in all of them. Then it comes with the cloth/pouch case. Being part of the Infinite Hero collection, this is what the pouch looks like. I don't know if on the camera it looks kind of more blue, but it is a purple in person. And onto the sunglasses. So it is described as a blue-black. It's, to me, really just looks like matte black. I'm not quite. I feel like it's in my head, like I'm seeing the blue, but I'm not seeing it. Unless it's, oh no, it is. Oh, it is. It's like kind of like a really dark blue, like really dark. So I mean, to the naked, most people will just think it's just looks black, but I guess if you look really closely, it's like, yeah, it could be a really dark blue. Features these nice Oakley O on the sides with the Infinite Hero logo right there, so like a nice little finish. It has it on both of the sides. On the left temple, it has your model number, color code, and the size information. Also has a Holbrook imprinted on the temple. There is nothing on the other side except the CE. So with the sizing information, it's going to be 57mm temple lens width. It's going to be 18mm bridge width, 43mm lens height, and 137mm temple length. But it's only going to be counting this part. But you know, this small space here, there's an extra good 15-20mm. And with the sizing, I'll probably say it's like a medium to large. It kind of fits a little tight on me, but it is quite a large frame, so you know, it'll fit most people. But definitely if you have a small face, it will be pretty big. They're very light, you know, very lightweight, so it will be pretty comfortable to wear. Like, it weighs nothing. These are a men's frame. The whole frame is made of plastic. The temples don't bow too much. Kind of bends a little here, but so there's a little room. But you know, if it's gonna be tight. Also, there's gunmetal color metal pieces here on each of the sides. So it has the black Iridium lenses. These are not polarized. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and please hit that subscribe button.